Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator and this is today market update for June 9, 2020. If you look at here, that's the SPY daily chart. Today the market is not really doing anything. So they go up, they try to test the yesterday high. They couldn't do it, they just go sideways, but they are not really coming down. But in the short term, you see that they try to make a double top here, they couldn't make higher, then they roll it down, and then after hour they go back up again. So technically, the market it after they run up, the whole week last week, and on Monday, and then now they just take the people just take some profit. So the market it goes sideways for a little bit, and the trend is still up. If they still hanging there, they show no damage, so they will continue to go higher as long as they don't take the low and then they try to make it high, 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 low. The market is still in the uptrend. So if you look at a shorter time frame for the trader, you can see that the whole day the market is yet hang around into this area here. In the morning, they test it here, they couldn't do it. They drop it down overnight. They come right back down, and then in the morning they try to push it back up. They slam it down a little bit when the market open, and then they push it back up to the sell zone. So they tuck between the area here. So if you are a day trader, you can see that overnight institution they slam it down, and in the morning when the market open, they slam it down again. But they have a strong support at this buy zone here. So when they slam it down in the morning, and then they be able to hold it, and then the huge volume coming in, they push it back up, and then they get out of the resistance area here, and then they push it back up right to the next sell zone, and then after that they just choppy pull it back down, but they didn't go lower, so they hold up and then they run up during the lunch time to 11 o'clock, and then they slam again at the end of the day. So basically, but look at the bigger time frame, you don't see much different. So basically, today is yet the day that they take a break after they run up last week and Monday. So that's how the market look like. So when I get out from my live trading room, the market is coming out. They break the resistance level here, and then they get out with a strong move here to jump in, take a quick trade. So just less than 45 minutes. The total net profit for today is $1,279. So that's it. Whatever the market it give it to you, and just take it and say thank you and move on and do whatever you have to do. You don't have to stick there. So that's the strategy that we are using every day, so that we are looking for the opportunity and jump in and make a quick trade. This is my daily routine to make a quick trade, whatever the market give it to me, make some quick money. This is a small ATM machine, okay, so that's small income, daily income. And then after that, you turn around, go do swing trade, so you can make a lot more money. And if you look at a lot of stock that we mentioned on the weekly market forecast, so it's slammed down to the support level, and now they try to hold it up, and let's see how far they can go. And a lot of stock like airline, for example, you can see this is airline after we mentioned that over here, they jump up here right into the resistance, and a lot of people after they hear the new outside, they jump in, they buy it, but this is they call FOMO. Okay, it means that for those people that fear of missing out, they jump in, and that's exactly what happened to them. So they jump in, they buy right here, which is right at the resistance level, and then they slam it down and scare the hell out of them, and then they say, "What's going on?" And then they bail out, so they lost money, and after they getting scared, the market will turn around. So that's the nature of the market. The institution they know they can read the mind of a lot of people outside. They just trade without understand how to read the chart. And if you don't know how to read the chart, this is exactly what you get for a lot of people out there. They just buy without understand how to read the chart, how to understand to use the modern technical analysis to analyze. That's exactly what happened to them. So if you look at a lot of airline, they get a haircut a little bit today to try to scare to check out a lot of people, and you can see here. Okay, so all the airline they go put it back and then they slam it down. You can see them very clearly, and Pull in at another one also. So that's the nature of the market. If you don't know how to read the chart, you don't understand it, it's risky, and then a lot of people they don't know what they're going to do next. But if you understand it, this is yet a normal routine that institution they do. They go in and then they go up, and then they take it, some profit, they put it back down before they can turn around. So this is what I have for you today. So if you like what we're doing here, give me a thumb up and check out our YouTube channel so that every time we have a new video, we will send it to you. If you would like to learn more about method of trading, how to understand the market, uh, and you can check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. Again, thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.